arrest of Mr. Deepak Gupta?
So we had appeared for Bharat Pay today in the court as a complainant, and on our complaint the FIR is registered. And after some point of time, Mr. Amit Bansal as another accused who got arrested. After the arrest of Amit Bansal, there are certain new information, there are certain new evidence which has come into fore, and on the basis of that, Mr. Deepak Gupta has also been arrested today. He's been yesterday, and today he's been produced in the court, and his remand was sought by the police. We had appeared for Bharat Pay as a complainant, and we had tried to tell the court as to how big the fraud was, as to how the 72 crores have been siphoned out of the company. And we had also told court about the culpability of the accused who has been arrested. Court has heard us, court has heard the complainant also, and court has thought it fit that the police remand has to be given. The order is still to come out. I think the remand would be of 3 or 4 days, but we'll still have to see the final order.
So police was also telling the court about how the fund were embezzled or siphoned off. Can you tell something?
See, the matter is sub judice before the court. I don't want to tell much about it, but we had tried to tell the court as to what allegations the company has against the other co-accused and Mr. Deepak Gupta, and he was a part of the company. And being a part of the company, he was in charge of certain posts. And using those posts illegally, he has been able to siphon out the money. That's our case, which we've told the court today also. The court was we impressed upon the court that therefore an investigation, a thorough and strict investigation has to happen in the matter. And the trail of money recoveries has to also be made from the accused. And there are other co-accused also who he is in conspiracy with, and that angle should also be seen. The IO has also told the court the same thing, and he has said that in fact they are investigating roles of other people, other co-accused, other named persons in the FIR. And I hope the truth would come out, and in this case, the charge sheet would be filed very quickly.
So how many days remand has been sought by the
The 10 days remand has been sought by the police. We had argued, in fact assisted the public prosecutor and told the court that in fact that much remand is required because it's a complex economic fraud which according to us has been committed, and therefore a strict and a very thorough investigation has to happen. And this is an FIR of 2023. The police have been investigating it diligently, and therefore this process has to continue and taken to the logical conclusion.